Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing the science of sleep and how to improve your sleep quality. Sleep plays a crucial role in our physical and mental health. But, unfortunately, many of us struggle to get enough quality sleep. So, what can we do to improve our sleep quality? Firstly, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on the weekends. This helps regulate our body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. Secondly, create a sleep-conducive environment. This means keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in comfortable bedding and pillows that support your sleep position. Thirdly, limit caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the evening. Both can disrupt your sleep and prevent you from getting the deep, restorative sleep your body needs. Fourthly, engage in relaxation techniques before bedtime. Try taking a warm bath, practicing meditation, or reading a book. This helps calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. In summary, improving your sleep quality involves establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, limiting caffeine and alcohol intake, and practicing relaxation techniques. Try incorporating these tips into your routine and see how it improves your sleep quality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.